four very useful and handy formulas in Google Sheets. So the first one is split. Um, what this formula does is it basically takes the content of one cell and it splits it into two cells. So if I click this cell and then I give it a limiter, in this case I'll give it a blank space, and we hit enter, that formula essentially splits the content of this cell into two different cells. Um, if you would like to do the rest, you just drag the cross down and that should do the rest. Um, the second formula is concatenate. Um, I like to use this formula especially when I'm dealing with email creation. So um, we type concatenate, then we select the first cell. We give it a delimiter. In this case, I'll give it a dot. Then we select the second cell. So what it does is essentially joins the content of two different cells. In this case, it's going to be these two joined by a dot. So we click enter, and that joined those two values together. To do the rest, you just drag the cross down, and it should take care of the rest. The next one is left. I like to use this one especially when I want to get the initials for a list of names. Um, so we do left, then we select the cell, and then we give it a value which essentially tells it how many strings we would like to keep. In this case, I'm only interested in the first one. So I click enter, and there you have it. You have a J as your initial, and as soon as you drag the cross down, um, that takes care of the rest. The last one is length. This one is very simple. It basically it just returns the length of a particular string. So if I select that one, now I just gotta enclose the cell, click enter, and that gives me 4 as my result. Um, so this was a quick tutorial on simple Google Sheets formulas. Um, if you liked this video, like the video and subscribe. Thank you.